India has given in to Gilani's passport demand. That's the latest we are getting to hear. MHA sources indicating 2 times now that there is no option but to grant a passport on humanitarian ground to Gilani. So has the centre then succumbed to what Mufti Mohammad Saeed and his government really said in Jammu and Kashmir? Aishwarya with us on the phone line. Aishwarya, what's the latest that you can tell us? What happened to the BJP stand of saying that no, prove the allegiance first and then ask for an Indian passport?
Well, Deepthi, what we are being told by our sources in the government is very clear that it is all on merit. There is no humanitarian ground on which the government of India can issue a passport. There are certain terms and conditions which need to be followed by every other Indian citizen. And then, for that matter, Mr. Gilani is no exception. Hence, he would have to follow and fulfill each and every formality. What we are being told by our sources right now, that the form and the file rather which is submitted with the MHA is yet not complete. So the file is not complete. There are certain sections of the form which any other citizen of India, that is including you and me, would have to fill. That is not being completely filled. And keeping that in mind, if all the merits of the file and the case are complete, then like any other citizen, Gilani would be granted a passport. That's what we are being told as of now. But at the end of the day, government completely denying that they are succumbing to the pressure of their alliance partner.
But Aishwarya, then again, that is a U-turn, not the very first one that we have seen. Just because of governance in Jammu and Kashmir, is the centre again buckling into that pressure?
Well, Deepthi, yes. There are going to be political implications as soon as BJP from the government in the state of J&K with the PDP. Line of the PDP is known to each and every senior BJP leader, and despite that, they decided to form the government. In such critical cases, we saw Mehbooba Mufti coming out in the open and making open plea rather to the government of India to issue passport to Gilani on humanitarian grounds. Government trying to give it a twist. That's what we are rather getting the influence as of now. Government stating that he's equivalent to any other Indian citizen, and if all the merits of his file are complete, if all the format is proper, then he can be granted a passport. There is no embargo. That is what we are being told. He is not on the blacklisted list. Hence, if his file is complete, if the complete formalities are done, then the government of India and then in turn the MEA would issue him a passport after MHA giving him a clearance.